Yo, this is week 9 of building a 10K month. Well, this is week 9. It's growth notes #9. Building a 10K month school agency in public. No comments from last week, which is all good, and then some stats. Let's cover those. So, everything's up, free subs. This week was kind of ass by me, so I'm surprised this went up, if I'm being honest. But it's fine. And then, oh yeah, school scaling stats, I guess. That'd be good. So that's where we're at right now. And yeah, so how I got cooked is ads didn't work on the old about page, so we switched things up. We're going after, we're trying some fucking weird shit, I'm not gonna lie to you. So in school, there used to be this old community called the Skool games, and I love the vibe from the Skool games because it was very much, I felt like school at that time was kind of like this underground kind of cool fucking thing where like you got so much fucking value from the community itself, especially. And yeah, I think I'm gonna market towards those people. I don't know if those people will become clients, if I'm being straight with you, but hey, fuck it, you know, if they even become regulars, then it's fucking golden. Because in my ideal world, my community is like a fucking part of everything that's working on school in terms of making money. And I can literally just make a post in there that's like, this is a testimonial exactly how we did things, like all the information away for free. If you want us to implement this for you, like in a PS statement at the very end, then click here. But none of those, like, you know, those like fake value posts or like fake email, like fake value email posts, where like it's obviously set up in a way where it's like trying to switch your belief into fucking investing. None of that bullshit, like actual fucking value, right? And I don't know if that will work. What I cooked, so I started tracking a lot more. I have a whole track sheet. Honestly, I'm too fucking embarrassed to share it because it was a terrible week. I'll share it next week when it's better. I don't know. Sue me, bro. I'm sorry. All right. And yeah, I stopped listening to music because I felt like a couple things. I felt like I didn't need it, and I felt like I was numbing down my own emotions and like my distaste for some work, and it was like switching my emotions a lot. So it would go from like I had like 2,000 liked songs I would just play on shuffle. So it's like having like a low stimulation Instagram almost playing in the back, which I thought is probably not a good thing. So I'm stepping away from that, which is actually giving me a lot of anxiety on my day to day, which is really interesting, right? And I wouldn't have noticed that if I didn't just stop it completely. I know it's like very extreme, but I'll roll it back in. It's just I want some time away. And yeah, that's the week. The week fucking sucked. If you go to my YouTube channel, it literally says, today sucked ass lol. Here's a video for consistency's sake. Don't watch this video. It's a sad video. But I fucking hate Loom, bro. I can't do this one job like right. All right. That's the week. I guess why it sucked is like on multiple levels. I feel like yesterday I wasted a bunch of time on screens. Reason for that was because I didn't have some blockers set up, and I also watched like a episode of a show before having planned the rest of my day, which means whenever I do that, I don't get back on task, and I just it becomes this like snowball effect, which fucks the entire day, right? It's really not good. Should have spent more time on content. I should have just done a lot of things, to be honest. But yeah, that's the fucking week, you know? What can you do about it? All right. Ciao.